Duro offers a unique ability within its bill of material attached to any assembly, the capability of adding in lead time, unit price, and manufacturing information, so that for each assembly I can see a roll-up cost as well as a worst-case scenario of lead time. I can see here that I have 120 days as my worst-case scenario lead time, and I'm going to interrogate that. With both my mechanical structure and my electrical structure that I see here in my PCBA, I'm looking through the lead time category, and I can see here is my 120 days. So let's open this resistor and take a look at what's going on. By clicking on the sourcing tab within my resistor, I can scroll through and see all of the different distributor part numbers that are available and the different distributors that match. And see here I have a hyperlink to the supplier that I'm purchasing as my primary source. Once I open this, I can see that there's 400,000 items in stock now, and that it'll ship today, so that the lead time is in fact only if ordering directly from the manufacturer, which I'm not. That being said, I want to look at some alternates here. So I'm going to open up this item. I've already done my research and know that the specs for this resistor meet my requirements. So I'm going to go ahead and go through and copy the part number, and add it to my items here as part of my sourcing. Duro has a vendor integration that allows me to paste in the manufacturing part number that I just copied from the website. It does a validation to ensure that it can see this specific part number through the integration portal. Once it turns green, it means I can add it in. Now that I have added this item in, I can see it has my new line item. Expand that out. Now that I have the new items and all of their distributor options included, I can sort through and add or remove any of these that I so choose. I'm going to go ahead and save these, and now I've updated my options for sourcing. As you can see, I have quite a lot of options now that I can choose from. And that's sourcing management through Duro. Thank you.